Umaasa lang kami sa mga tumutulong sa amin. Kung sino po ang handang tulungan kami, para niyo na pong awa, tulungan niyo po kami.
Okay, salamat, Asya. In fact, no less than the Executive Director ba, si Marian? Secretary General of Mindanao People's Caucus in one of her statements, no? Babasahin ko, Asya, no? China at Hadigia, nakikiusap yung si Attorney Arnado sa mga politiko, yung mga kandidato, yung mga tatakbo na mga kandidato ngayong 2010 election. Imbis daw gastusin ninyo yung pera sa advertisement sa TV, no? O pag lalakad-lakad paikot-ikot sa buong Pilipinas, yung mensahe ni Asya, priority. Ibigay ang priority sa kanila. Yun din ang mensahe ng Mindanao People's Caucus Secretary General, na instead na yung pera igastos sa ibang bagay, igastos na itulong na doon mismo sa mga taong mas nangangailangan. At sa panahon ngayon, ang mga taong ito yung tinatawag natin ng mga kapatid nating mga internally displaced persons o yung mga bakwits. Sila po ay victims of war, victims of atrocity. Ayaw nila ito mangyari at sino ba ang gusto niyan? In fact, sinabi ko, nabanggit ko sa inyo earlier, once also I was an IDP, no? Pero mga 4 na araw lang yun doon sa munisipyo ng Manay, Davao Oriental, yung panahon ng MNLF war, yung pag-umpisa talaga ng gyera. Kasi meron din mga MNLF na sa Tarragona at nagkaroon din ng putukan. Mahirap talaga. Takbuhan, kaldero, kutsara, tinidor, dala. Hanggat sa makaya mong madala. So, again, ladies and gentlemen, let's pause for a break.
The heart is stronger than you think. Like it could go through anything. Even when you think you can't, it finds a way to still push on. No. Sometimes you wanna run away, ain't got the patience for the pain. And if you don't believe it, look into your heart, the beat goes on. I'm telling you, things get better. Do whatever. If you fall, dust it up, don't let up. Don't you know you can go be your own miracle? You need to know if the mind keeps thinking you've had enough, but the heart keeps telling you don't give up. Who are we to be questioning, wondering what is what? Don't give up. Through it all, just stand up. It's like we all had better days. Problems getting all up in your face. Just because you go through it, don't mean you gotta take control. No, you ain't gotta find no hiding place, because the heart can beat the hate. Don't wanna let the mind keep playing you, saying you can't go on. I'm telling you, things get better. Do whatever. If you fall, dust it up, don't let up. Don't you know you can go be your own miracle? You need to know if the mind keeps thinking you've had enough.
Once again, Mindanao, Davao, we are back here at Mindanao Dialogue at Sky Cable Channel 15. A while ago, our visitors or guests were the actual IDPs or bakwits, no? As I have made mention a while ago, the next segment, our guest would be no less than the Secretary General of the Mindanao People's Caucus, one of the organizations that is very active in helping promoting peace in Mindanao, and also in helping the bakwits, no, the evacuees or the IDPs in Central Mindanao. So, on my left, of course, is the person that I've made mention, Attorney Mary Ann Arnado. Good evening, Ann.
Good evening, Ed, and good evening to all our viewers, fellow Mindanaoans. Maayong gabi.
I was briefed by your staff last week, no, on your program. It's a comprehensive program in promoting, in trying to help get as many support as possible for our evacuees. Can you tell the public, our televiewers, what is this is all about?
Multicultural alliance of Muslims, indigenous peoples, and Christians who are working together to promote peace and dialogue among Mindanaoans. Now, we have been closely monitoring the peace process, and right now we are conducting a massive relief drive in order to help alleviate the suffering of more than 500,000 evacuees who are now displaced in central Mindanao.
Okay.
Now, our record is that we have around 500,000 people
Yeah.
who had been displaced since August last year.
Last year.
And so it's now going to be 1 year. From this coming August, they will turn 1 year from this displacement, and there is no resolution in sight.
Yeah.
And government has not given any concrete policy statements on how they are going to address the humanitarian crisis. And so this is a very, very big